So yesterday we have covered till part how to create the custom object. Okay.
Custom object, yeah.
So let me log in. Do you remember the path of creating the custom object?
Yeah, personal management
Mm-hmm.
for custom object, right?
Yeah, custom object which we have created like test or unit object type.
Yeah. Then org management, then basic settings.
Okay, great. I think here through this data
Then can
model, yeah, through data model enhancement, we have created our object type. Then we have maintained the allowed relationship. Then we went again to maintain the essential relationship. Then we have also maintained the info type, which will be visible for
info type. Yeah.
uh, this newly created
Which we
object.
want to see in PP01.
Yeah. Okay. Now this is the maintained number ranges. Okay. So if we go to this first step, setup number assignment for all plan version. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here we have the two options to enter in this value abbreviation. Okay. First one
Okay.
is to put X. So it means that it will assign the number in the sequence for all the plan version on all the other object types. Okay.
Hmm.
And for this one, this is the subgroup. It is dollar dollar dollar. Okay. So if I see the number range of this like overall this subgroup which is used for all the plan version and all the object type, I will see the
Hmm.
number range as the external. I can see the number range as 1 2 4 7 times 9, and then again for internal. So it will automatically assign the number if I select the value as X in that previous step. So it will define the it will assign the number to the object which is existing in which we are creating in any of the plan version or any of the object type. The number will go in
Hmm.
this sequence. Okay. So
Yeah.
till now this partner like this number is getting used. Okay. And now
Mm-hmm.
so this is a general thing. Okay. So if I maintain the value as X there, the number will be assigned according to this dollar 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 subgroup, which is for all the plan version
Yeah.
and all the object type. Okay. But
Okay.
yesterday what we have did, if I go to slash OPP01, I have created my own test 92. Yeah. So I have created my own object type. Okay. So if I want to assign some number range to this object type, suppose if I am going to
Hmm.
create any object type of this test or unit, if I want my number range, like this type of object
Hmm.
type should get this number range, or this number,
Hmm.
the number should get picked up in my defined number range. So in
Mm-hmm.
that case, what we can do, we can create our own subgroup. Okay. And then I will click on
Okay.
new entry. Okay. So the first value
Hmm.
will be denoting our plan version, that is 01. Okay.
Hmm.
If I am going to create any test or unit type in the plan version 01, then I
Mm-hmm.
can select the subgroup as 01 and the object type. Object type is 92.
9-2. Yeah.
You can see here also it is coming, and also I will also tell you how to get these numbers in front of our object type. Previously,
Hmm.
it was not there. The current number, okay, but I have
Hmm.
done some setting. So through that, this number is given. But that will cover in the later. First, I want to explain you how to define the our own number range for our own object type or the plan version. Okay. So I have
Hmm.
created this subgroup as 0192. It means that the plan version would be 01 and any object type would be and the object type as 92. Please
Hmm.
specify the valid subgroup. Okay, yesterday also it came, na?
Yesterday also, yeah, it was giving error.
Why it is happening? 0192. Object type is 92. Is it the let me go to the object types. Let me check if there is any 92 is there, and this is not related to any plan version also. What is the specified valid subgroup? Hmm. Plan version and object type. Object type we have created 92. Okay. Okay, I will look into it later, but just I want to explain you. See, I have also
Hmm.
created another what you can say, another test oriented object type as 091. Okay, and for
Hmm.
this number I have defined my number range as
Yeah.
internal number range as from 99 to 999. It will be assigning the number range for my object type.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
so I think the next number is 123. So if I go and if I select the test oriented type as 91, this one
Hmm.
also I have created, and if I try to create an object, okay, so now the
Hmm.
number which will be assigned to this object type will be
And
lying
from 99 to 999.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, in
So
between.
so if I click on object, okay, let me validate test o 91 test o 91. So any name, I'm just giving any random name.
Hmm.
Okay. So let me skip this one. Okay. Why it is giving us this number? Okay, maybe I have set up the value as X there. Yeah. Okay. So let me save it again. So I told you, na, if it is X, it will take the reference from the subgroup dollar dollar dollar. Okay. And
Hmm.
if it is blank, it will take the reference from our defined what you can say defined subgroup. Okay. So now if I
Hmm.
again try creating, it will pick up from the 99 to 999. Let me once again try creating
Hmm.
190. I'm just copying it 0192. That must be different. Okay, I just okay. Somehow it has created it 192. Okay, I just copied the
Hmm.
previous. Now I will change the internal subgroup doesn't exist. We delete it. If I click on 1 second. Let me just last try one more time. Yeah, now it has picked up. Okay. Now I will define the let me first save it. Okay.
Hmm.
Now after saving it, it will give the subgroup number. Then I will click on
Hmm.
intervals. Okay, here it is directly. Since no interval is assigned, it is showing the blank data. If I click on pencil icon,
Hmm.
so here if I want to give the range as uh, let me give from 85672 8599. Okay. And here I will define whether it will be a internal or external. Okay. If I click
Okay.
on, okay, if I don't select it and directly click on this, I think it will automatically, okay, here it will ask, okay. So let me take it as an internal. So I don't need to specify any, what you can say, any external number from my end in order to, now I will say, okay.
Okay.
Now if I go back and if I try creating my test or unit of object type 92,
Hmm.
and if I click on create, okay, first I have to remove this number, then I will click on object, and then if I click on create, test o 92 test. Okay, let me skip this.
Mm.
It has defined, it has taken the number which
Yeah.
is given, that is 8567. Okay.
Six,
So,
seven. Yeah.
yeah. So I think you got it, what I'm trying to convey. Okay. So just go through it and see the practical is must. So if you know, because if you just go through the theory, it will be like you may forget in some time, but if you try and maintaining this,
Hmm.
now this topic is also covered. So now let us go to the mm, so also yesterday I also shared one document or the link with you in
Hmm.
order to see the what you can say, the relationship between the newly created object which we have created as test org unit and the original org unit. So in order to see that, I think this is a standard one and some code is there to only see what you can say. So the standard object type here, okay, which was
Hmm.
provided by the SAP. So in that case, here it is only showing the org unit position, task center, task work center, and all. So
Hmm.
if we want to, what you can say, the want to see the uh, custom, what you can say, the relationship of the standard org unit with standard object type with custom object type. Okay. In that
Hmm.
case, you can try creating your evaluation path. So let me just. So, do you want me to cover that thing or like you can try from your end?
Yeah, I'll try and then I'll let you know.
Okay. So where I have covered the evaluation part. This is plan version. Here I have created na. So go to this path and just what you can do is you have to maintain the relationship in the evaluation path as O2
Hmm.
O I think A003 or A002 which we have like which was the allowed relationship of our custom object type with the standard object type, and then you can give the star and the 91. Okay. uh,
Okay.
or to our unit we have created na, then
Hmm.
here 002 I think there it will be from top to lower we go to B002 na, whatever the relationship is.
Hmm.
Okay, whether we are going to see the bottom to top, and then we can give either 91 or 92, like the custom
Okay.
object which you will be creating. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
you can give the relationship as like that. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
uh like suppose 91 or 92 you can give, and then the same thing which we have like go through the recording of the evaluation path and try creating your own evaluation path and just come back to me. Okay. And
Okay.
if you are not able to, so here are some interview questions. Okay. And
Hmm.
so you know what is the evaluation path? Let me hide it.
Yeah.
Tell me.
Evaluation path is basically the relation list of relationships between the objects.
Yeah. You can say relationship between two or more object. Okay. And
Okay.
relationship is basically a relation between two objects. Okay. In the evaluation
Hmm.
part, we maintain three or more relationship or relationship between two or more objects. But in the relationship, we maintain a relation between two
Hmm.
objects. Okay.
Yeah.
So this one I have already gave you the evaluation part. A transaction code to run the evaluation path is or to use the evaluation path
PPST.
is PPST.
Hmm.
And skip part I have already showed you. And
Hmm.
is I think yeah, B is top to bottom and A is bottom to top. So you can remember this thing.
Hmm.
Then a report for syncing ON and PA. So yesterday I covered them. Okay. So,
Yeah.
so you can like if you want, I will share this interview questions with
Yeah.
you.
Please share these questions with me.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
you can like go through them. What is rent check and all. So because they may ask you these type of question in your what you can see in your interview. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then common transaction code which you use in OM are like PP01, PO13 to maintain position, 10 to maintain or PP01 is you can say a general transaction which way from where we can like
Hmm.
use any or create any object of any type. Okay. Then PPOME is for maintaining org unit and other things. Okay.
Yeah.
Then PP03.
PP03 for job maintenance.
Okay. Okay. Great. Then PPST. Then the standard reports we already having rente check, rente and rente, which I
Hmm.
have covered at the uh, upper in the upper question or the previous topic. Okay.
Hmm.
Then how many cost center are assigned to org unit? The answer is only one.
Yeah.
And these cost center are basically assigned to org unit to like control the payroll expenses. Okay.
Hmm.
And like I have created one company and there how much cost should be like to control the payroll expense. This is you can say the much wider part with the FICO FI consultant. Then we have the
Mm-hmm.
relationship between organization and country, but just one, the one paid that pays the bill. And cost center can be assigned to only one company code. Okay. And cost
Yeah.
center in SAP is the component in which the cost occur inside an organization. So it's basically defines like how the cost, how much cost is occurring inside an organization. So you can
Hmm.
go through. And also one cost center can be assigned to only one position. Okay,
One
so
position.
yeah. So for me, like I'm working as a like you can say senior consultant. So some cost center is assigned to me for my position. So for that cost center, like for that position, I am like that much amount I can be paid, or the company will expend that much amount only on that position. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then T code to maintain standard role is PFCZ. So this one just I have find out on Google. And
Okay.
and can a person have more than one position? So
Yes.
yeah, exactly. So for example, suppose in a company one manager is there, one AM manager is there, and suppose manager leaves the company. In that case, the assistant manager will act as a manager, and also he will be handling the roles of the assistant manager.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
There is like the system of percentage maintenance. We can
mm-hmm,
assign positions like multiple positions to one person, and we
mm-hmm.
can update, like we can maintain the percentage like 40 percentage, and like the total percentage should be 100.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Great, great, great. So then this is the link. You can go through it out, find out this article little interesting. So you can go through this link. And in success factor, the only one position is assigned to only one function, one person. Okay. So
Hmm.
in the success factor, it does not allow you to have multiple position assigned to the single employee. Okay.
Okay.
But you must remember this first, this one, and you already knowing, so you can tell the interview. Okay.
Hmm.
How you maintain the link between organ position?
Yeah,
So
it's B003.
yeah, great. And what are the objects in SAP?
Objects like or units, position, job, cost center, task.
Yeah, great. And how you will be creating the position through PO13, okay,
So PO13, yeah.
or through any other, you can say any other mode like PPO, PPOME and
Or
PPOC.
PO,
Yeah,
PP01.
yeah. Through, so like there are various ways to create a position, but you can directly tell them as a PO13, okay. Then
Mm-hmm.
the relationship between a cost center and position is, it is A.
A0, A0W1.
Yeah. So even I just wanted to confirm that. So like I also like tried to link my position with the cost center. So there I
Yeah, yeah.
went to the position and then I have directly type A0011.
Hmm.
Then I clicked on enter.
A011.
So it directly fetches the cost center. Okay.
Yeah.
And can you give me the some of the OM table names?
Yeah, like yesterday we were maintaining SS70,
Mm-hmm.
and then like through AC16, like we can maintain the tables like PA 000 or like PA 0001.
Mm-hmm. So let me know. I'm not sure about this table T77S0, but this table is used for the integration between OM and PA. Okay. So
Okay.
let me remove it from here. And the OM table name, I am just know
Yeah,
about
like
something.
HRP 1000 and HRP 1001.
Mm-hmm. Then,
Yeah, like those are the relationships actually. So yeah, we can try other relationships also, like HIP 1007 or
yeah. Yeah,
1003,
great, great. So
1005.
yeah. So what are the info types which comes under OM, like object, account assignment feature, description,
Mm-hmm.
the what other like type of info types are available? You can just put the HRP in front of them
Hmm.
and you can tell them
Yeah.
these are some of the OM tables. And these are the PA tables like T527X, T528V, T513S, and okay. Then after that, PA. PA means personal
Yeah.
administrator. Personal.
Yeah.
So whatever the info types are
PA
coming
zero
under.
zero 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 or PA 0001, PA 0002.
Hmm. So what are the
Hmm.
whatever the info types are coming under PA? Okay. So you may be
Yeah.
all the info types, basic pay, attendance, absence, whatever the just you have to just put the PA in
Hmm.
front of these info type names. Okay.
Hmm.
And how to assign to a more role to a single person. So in SU3, let me go through. I'm not sure about this query, so you can try Google it. So SU3. Here we are assigning the parameters. Okay, not sure. Okay, so see this is one of the part of the security concern how they assign the roles, but you can try googling
Mm-hmm.
it. Okay, and searching what can be the answer. Okay, this one I also try to
Okay.
find out through like find out the answer for it in the Google, but I was not able to find. So you can try. If not,
Mm-hmm.
then no problem. Okay, and this one also uh, like they may want this is just the normal comment I have written for myself at that time. So I have covered the most of the topics in the OM module. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
like I will be continuing with the SPA part now. So OM module is almost covered. Whatever the topic that can be covered in the OM, I have almost covered it.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
If you found something new that this needs to be covered, then I will go through that and I will also try to cover it. But this much content is sufficient for the OM module. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Now, so now we'll come to personal administration. Okay. So
Hmm.
personal administration is basically administrative activities related to human resources.
Yeah.
Okay. So one second now.
Mm-hmm.
Are you able to hear my voice clearly or you are getting some background noise?
No, I can hear you.
Okay. So basically, first of all, you know the process. See, some vacancy would be there in the Naukri or LinkedIn or some other platform, and then you will apply. Then you will be having an interview there. Okay. Once you
Yeah.
get selected, offer letter will be generated. Okay. Then your date of joining
Mm.
will be given to you. That on this date you have to join. Okay.
Yeah.
So the first process is once you join the company, your hiring will be done. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
So in the hiring, what will do? They will be collecting a lot of information from your end, like your education background and
Yeah.
uh, your previous employment detail, or
Mm.
also they will be storing some information related to your project which you will be getting. If you are not
Yeah.
getting,
What will
then
be your salary? Who will be your manager?
yeah,
Like, what
exactly.
will be your cost center? Everything.
Yeah. So in the hiring, all your information will be maintained in the info types of in the PA
Yeah.
info types. Okay.
PA info types. Yeah.
Okay, and suppose if you're planning to take the transport allowance, okay, so
Mm-hmm.
like you want to opt for a cab or the transport service, then some deduction amount will be maintained in some of the info types like 14 or 15. Okay, in 14 it will be maintained
Mm-hmm.
in the basically,
Deduction.
yeah, basically info type 14 is you can say it will note your monthly deduction. Okay, and in the
Yeah.
additional.
Like info type 14 is for recurring or one
Yeah,
time
yeah, yeah.
deducting
Reoccurring,
monthly
yeah.
payments
And
or deductions.
15 is additional payment. Like if you, and also
Yeah.
if you want to take some insurance for your parents or for yourself,
Mm-hmm.
that kind of information will be also there. Whether it will be maintained in for type 14, like monthly your amount will be deducted, some amount will be deducted,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
or on the one-time payment, that is info type 15. Okay.
Mm.
So in the hiring process, all of these details will be maintained under the info type, and you can also
Mm.
tell them in info type as information types. Okay. Then
Yeah.
these are some of the activities that will be coming under PA, like whether you are transferred to
Yeah.
other
These are the
country.
actions. Yeah. Be
Yeah,
done in
yeah,
paper.
transfer to other country or transfer to other person area.
Position.
Yeah, yeah. And
Yeah.
sometimes there may be a change in your position, whether you got a
Mm.
promotion there, so that kind of thing will be also come under this. Change of
Yeah.
pay, whether you get some hike in your company, and
Mm.
then master data changes, then termination, and like if you
Mm.
are leaving the company, then this information will also be maintained in the information types. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we have a mm, then we have an enterprise structure. Okay, so where we
Mm.
will set up the personal areas, personal sub areas. Okay, and
Mm.
the employee groups and the employee subgroup. Personal area is basically
Subgroup. Yeah.
the area on which the city or the
Mm.
location in which the employee will be exactly working. Okay,
Yeah.
and the personal sub areas you can say under that at the lower level. Okay, so in Delhi
Yeah.
you may be working in sector 62, then you can say that
Yeah.
so that kind of information. Okay, employee group
Mm-hmm.
is whether the employee is a, you can say, the full-time employee or a part-time employee, or
Part-time employee. Yeah. Or a contractor.
yeah, or a regular employee or a trainee or intern.
Mm.
So this kind of information
Yeah.
we will maintain, and then employee subgroup basically whether it is hourly paid employee uh,
Like
or
hourly paid employee or like monthly employee.
yeah, monthly and other kind of details, what type of employee
Mm.
he is. Okay, so this kind of data. So we will be uh, maintaining, first we will be maintaining the enterprise structure. So these things, personal area and person sub areas, are come under the enterprise structure. So let me open the info type 01 first.
Mm.
Yeah.
So once we create the position, then we can assign personal area, sub area, group, subgroup with the position only.
Yeah, you can also assign these personal areas of area to the position. Or also, you can directly assign this when we are
Yeah.
when we'll be doing the hiring of the employee. We
Hmm.
can specify like on which personal area he is working and which sub
Hmm.
area he is working. So under
Yeah.
enterprise structure, these things will come. Okay. Personal
Hmm.
area, sub area, and this cost center and this
Company
company.
code, personal area, and sub area. Yeah.
This company code, cost center, business area will be maintained by FI team. Okay,
Hmm.
so we don't need to bother about it. What we have to do, we have to maintain the personal area, sub area. So this will come under enterprise structure and the under personal
Enterprise
structure.
structure.
Under the
Yeah.
personal structure,
Employee
your
group subgroup will come under personal structure.
hmm. So under employee subgroup, we can have monthly paid employee, hourly paid, or whether he
Hmm.
will be paid on the semi-monthly basis. I mean on 15
Hmm.
every 15 days, bi-weekly,
Yeah.
40
Bi-weekly.
quarterly, and this type of thing. Okay. So
Hmm.
so in order to maintain the enterprise structure, we can go to you can directly go to SPRO and here you will be safe.
SPRO. Yeah. Enterprise structure.
Okay. So under definition,
Hmm.
you can under financial accounting, you will see the company code and the other details. Okay, which is related to
Hmm.
FIT.
Yeah.
And under the human resources, we will be getting the personal area, sub area,
Personal
and
areas and yeah, group subgroup.
okay. So you have you earlier created this personal area in your current organization, or this is the first time you
No,
will?
like no, we don't create personal areas every year. Yeah, we assign.
Okay, okay, great. Assigned to company code or the employee, huh?
Yeah, like we assign the personal area, sub area, group subgroup to the position and hire the employee.
Okay, 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 okay. Great, great, great. Okay. So under PP, when you maintain the position, you also maintain the info type.
Yeah, once we create the position, then only we assign personal area, sub area, group subgroup to the position. So
In the
like
old info
when
type,
we go
yeah,
to PA40 and we hire the employee, so
it
we
will
just put the
automatically come.
position. So everything, yeah, everything will
Yeah,
come
yeah,
automatically.
yeah. Great, great, great. So suppose I have already created these three personal areas. Okay. So I will
Hmm.
create another two personal areas. LA04. Let me give it the name is Ghaziabad. Okay.
Hmm.
So there is none of the mandatory fields we have to maintain for this because no field is marked as mandatory. So we can directly
Hmm.
save it. Okay. Here also I'm not here, but here it will once I click on save it will ask me for the
The
country.
country. Yeah.
Okay. Let me see where is India. Okay. So it will
Hmm.
ask me to save this change.
Hmm.
Okay. So this is already saved. And also you can directly click on Control P and you can directly see the table name. That's it T500P. Okay. So in that
Hmm.
case, if I remember the table name, I can directly go to SM30 and give the table name as T500P. So
Okay.
this table will automatically come. Otherwise,
Okay.
if you mm, are not sure, you don't want to remember the company name, you can remember the path. Okay. Uh, Let me go to I have created Ghaziabad and we create another personal area as LA05.
Hmm.
Give the name as Faridabad. Country as IN.
Hmm.
Okay. Now we will go
Hmm.
to we have created our personal area. Now we will be creating our personal sub areas. Okay. So personal
Yeah.
sub areas will come under the personal area. So we have to first give the personal area. Okay. So I think I have created LA04 as Ghaziabad. I will click on new entry. Uh, Let me give a sector 61. Okay, 4 character it is. So personal area, personal sub area, all these things will be of 4 character. Okay,
Yeah.
and also whenever we will be maintaining the personal area, we must uh, have to assign the personal sub area. Okay,
Yeah.
it's not like we can only create our personal area. We also have
Yeah.
to create the personal sub area in order to use it. Okay, because whenever
Yeah.
you will be what you can say linking your position with the personal area and sub area, or whenever
Mm-hmm.
you will be hiring through slash and PA40, it will definitely ask you to mentor the personal sub area because it is one of the mandatory field. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Now let me create another personal sub area for LA05, and these personal area and personal sub area are the 4 digit character. So and these are alphanumeric. Okay, so you can enter the character as well as the digit. Okay. So as of now for today class, I have defined the personal area and person sub area. Okay.
Okay.
In
Yeah.
the next class, I will be creating the employee group, employee subgroup.
Mm-hmm.
Then we will be also assigning these personal area to company code and the employee subgroup to employee group. Okay. So
Yeah. Okay.
the things will be covering in next class. So do you have any doubts now?
No.
Okay, great. Okay. So if you get time, go through the recording and just try
Yeah.
creating your evaluation path and the custom object
Mm-hmm.
and the number range. So try maintaining, try like just practice, try everything. Just try to edit something and see if there is any error coming or not. Okay. So
Mm.
try all these things and we will meet tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Okay.
Okay.
And I will share this. Just WhatsApp me your like Gmail ID. Okay. So I will share
Yeah.
that with you. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Take care.
Yeah. Thank you. Or Lalit,
Mm-hmm.
like for tomorrow, like